What's going on, guys? This is Osa here. I got the install for my Apple Carplay for the MK6 GTI. So I already took off the plastic hardware right here. You guys just have to put a credit card or something. Like I use this Postmates card. I just popped out all the pins. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. And I don't know where that one is. Probably broken. Oh, yeah, it is broken. Some of them broke inside, but it's whatever. So you gotta do what you gotta do. So then you just get a T20. There's 4 screws that hold it down. Hold on, let's turn this off before we get electrocuted. You gotta just unscrew the 4, and that's what holds in the actual radio. Shit, was I supposed to disconnect the battery for this? Yo, I don't know. Alright, that's 1. That's 2. That's 2, and that's 3. I literally got this for like $3 from eBay. This T20, and it's pretty nice and cheap. Cause I know these Volkswagens. I used to be a Honda boy. Alright, so now since we got all 4 out, it should just come right off. Ooh. Oh my god, this shit's heavy, dog. I'm not used to this. It's hot as hell. So then just disconnect. Should be a little tab that disconnects this green. What the? Yo, this shit geeks. What the hell is this?
Did you just broke that bitch?
Probably. And then, there you go. Yikes. Yo, I don't know how to take this one off. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna let you guys know when I take this out. Alright guys, so we finally got it. I guess it's just like a little switch that you just pull off. So now we got the stock radio. Sits for sale if anyone needs it. It fits all MK6 Volkswagens, I'm pretty sure. So now we got this. Damn. What the hell is the green one though? I'm gonna be missing that green switch. So this one goes in. You just pretty much put all that clips back in. I don't know why the hell this looks like that. I think it's in. Alright, fuck it, we'll leave it. It's not working. Yo! Alright, we'll come back to y'all on this too. This is the reason why I messed up. I forgot to add the adapter. Usually these come with an adapter. So then you just clip this one in, and then it should just clip right into this size. Alright, so now it's good. I'll just clip this in just in case. I don't know what this is for, but we'll just tuck it right in here. It's hot. So then now we're gonna have to test if this works before we put it all in. So now let's start the car. Wow! Very nice, Habibi! Copyright. I know. Okay, let's just put it all in, and then we'll, what's it called? We'll get back to what's it called? Music. So I'm just gonna put it back in. I don't want to get you guys through this boring part, so I'll just skip to the part where we all connected and stuff. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm about to start the car up now, but the clips, you just have to clip back this black trim around it. It's not hard. So then now we have, do the lights work? Oh, lights work perfectly fine. This is all plug and play. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to work with these too. What the fuck? What's happening? Perfecto. Alright, so loading iPod. Wow. This phone is saying it's locked. Hold on. What's happening here? What? Oh no. I don't know. This sounds a little cheap. Hold on. I didn't even play with the settings yet, but why the hell do I still have this on? Very nice. Not bad, not bad. So that was the install for the Apple CarPlay, guys. CarPlay.